Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to fix photo access missing on iPhone. So if you want to fix that, you just have to open your settings. Alright, so once you open your settings, then you should have something like this. Then from there, just scroll all the way down and tap on privacy and security. So from that, you just have to navigate under the app section. Under the privacy and security, just tap on the photo app, which is the photo app option. Tap on it. Then from there, you can have the list of the bunch of apps that have access to your photos. So now you just got to figure out the particular app that lacks or that is missing the photo features. So like for example, now in this video I actually have this particular app which is having a photo missing problem, and you can see from this app settings it is set to none. So if you want to give access to this app to have access to my photo, I just got to give to all photos, or probably state under selected photos. So I can select that. So if it is that, then that will take me back to my gallery. Then I can select a couple of pictures that I want this particular app to have access to. So if I want that, I can simply do that. Or probably if I want all photos, that means this app will completely have access to all the photos in my app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.